Today on Timescast, Dominique Strauss-Kahn was released from house arrest after prosecutors acknowledged credibility problems with a hotel housekeeper who has accused him of sexual assault.
These recent disclosures reinforce our conviction that he will be exonerated.
And the reaction from Paris.
The defense moves for the exoneration of bail under the current conditions.
Dominique Strauss-Kahn was released on his own recognizance after a hearing in Manhattan State Supreme Court this morning. Prosecutors have concluded that Mr. Strauss-Kahn's accuser's credibility has been undermined, both by statements that she has made to the authorities, which they have determined to be false, and by information about her background, which they have found to be troubling.
Our prosecutors from the Manhattan DA's office will continue their investigation into these alleged crimes and will do so until we have uncovered all relevant facts.
After the hearing, they released this letter in which they provided additional information about some of the problems with the accuser's background. Among the additional details they cited was the fact that the accuser had initially told prosecutors that she had immediately reported the attack, when in fact she later revealed she had gone to clean an adjacent room before giving her story to the authorities. On the street, reaction to developments in the case has been mixed.
He's just a perf, he's not the victim at all.
It seems to me he is looking a little more innocent.
After the hearing, the district attorney, Mr. Strauss-Kahn's defense lawyers, and a lawyer for the victim, Kenneth Thompson, spoke outside the courthouse. Mr. Thompson was, in some respects, critical of the way the district attorney's office has handled the case.
What they did not tell you upstairs in the courtroom today is that the victim herself is the one who came forward voluntarily with the information.
He was adamant that the attack had occurred and said that her account of the incident itself has been unwavering since the start. He said that she went next door to clean the room there because she was afraid of losing her job and didn't know what to do. Mr. Strauss-Kahn's lawyers said they were relieved that he had been released.
I think it's kind of appropriate that on the eve of Independence Day, we get to celebrate for Strauss-Kahn, Mr. Strauss-Kahn and his family, a bit of his personal independence.
On l'a sali, il n'avait pas à être sali, et à mon avis, il faut qu'il soit blanchi de la même façon qu'il a été sali. Ça, malheureusement, maintenant il faut qu'il lève la tête et qu'il vienne se présenter au présidentiel.
Many people in France woke up Friday to what politicians variously call a bombshell. The reports from New York about the fate of Dominique Strauss-Kahn have divided French society.
Elle a fait les choses pour plus gagner de l'argent qu'autre chose.
On the street level, though, the view is quite clearly divided between people who think Mr. Strauss-Kahn, if he's acquitted, should be allowed to come back into the fold of French politics.
Il va pouvoir se remettre dans la présidentielle. Il devrait pouvoir. Et avec tout ce qu'on lui a fait comme mal, je pense que ce serait peut-être une bonne idée.
And those who are quite convinced that in fact whatever has emerged about his personality over these past 2 months has proven that he shouldn't be allowed to run in the presidential elections next year.
Ce qui me choque, c'est le fait que le procès puisse être arrêté juste pour une question de morale, alors qu'on n'a pas d'avancement sur ce qui s'est réellement passé et que finalement DSK a réellement pu abuser sexuellement de cette femme et que le procès va être arrêté juste à cause de la morale de cette femme.
Everyone, I think, is waiting for word later on Friday from New York when the latest court case, the hearings in New York City, will give us some indication of where the case is going to proceed from here.